If you want extra safety, better visibility, and reliable evidence in case of accidents, a mirror dashcam is one of the best upgrades you can add to your car. These smart devices replace your traditional rear-view mirror and record both the front and rear of your vehicle while you drive. In today's video, we're going to look at the top 5 best mirror dashcams in 2026. We'll go over their key features, performance, pros and cons to help you choose the right one for your vehicle. Check out the links in the description for the latest prices and deals. Now, let's get started. Number 1. Pelsee P12 Pro Max Mirror Dashcam. Taking the number 1 spot on our list is the Pelsee P12 Pro Max Mirror Dashcam. This premium mirror dashcam is designed for drivers who want the best recording quality and advanced safety features. It comes equipped with the Sony Starvis 2 IMX678 sensor, which delivers excellent video clarity, especially in low light conditions. The front camera records in ultra-sharp 4K resolution, while the rear camera captures video in 2.5K, ensuring that important details like license plates and road signs remain visible. It also features a large 12-inch touchscreen mirror that provides a wide and clear display of both cameras. One of its biggest highlights is the advanced driver assistance system, including ADAS alerts and blind spot detection, which helps improve driving safety. The package even includes a 128GB memory card and an OBD hardwire kit for 24-hour parking monitoring. Pros: excellent 4K front and 2.5K rear video quality. Sony Starvis 2 sensor for superior night vision. Large 12-inch touchscreen display. Includes 128GB memory card and hardwire kit. ADAS and blind spot detection safety features. Overall, the Pelsee P12 Pro Max is one of the most complete and powerful mirror dashcams available in 2026. Number 2. Pelsee S12 Pro Mirror Dashcam. At number 2, we have the Pelsee S12 Pro Mirror Dashcam. This model also uses the advanced Sony Starvis 2 sensor, which greatly improves night recording and color clarity in darker environments. The front camera records in 4K resolution, while the rear camera captures 1080p footage, giving you clear coverage of both the road ahead and behind your vehicle. It also includes several smart driving features such as ADAS driver alerts, blind spot detection, and voice control for hands-free operation. Another nice bonus is that it comes with a 64GB memory card included, so you can start using it right out of the box. Pros: Sony Starvis 2 sensor for great night performance, 4K front recording, blind spot detection and ADAS alerts, voice control functionality. Overall, the Pelsee S12 Pro is an excellent choice for drivers who want strong performance and smart safety features. Number 3. Pelsee P12 Pro Mirror Dashcam. Coming in at number 3 is the Pelsee P12 Pro Mirror Dashcam. This mirror dashcam offers solid performance with 4K front recording and 1080p rear video, providing reliable coverage for everyday driving. The 12-inch touchscreen mirror makes it easy to view footage, change settings, and monitor both cameras while driving. It also supports voice control, built-in GPS tracking, and fast 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi for quick video downloads to your smartphone. Another helpful feature is its ADAS system, which provides warnings for lane departure and forward collision risks. Pros: 4K front camera recording, large 12-inch touchscreen display, GPS tracking and voice control, fast 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi connectivity. Overall, the P12 Pro delivers a great mix of performance, features, and value. Number 4. WOLFBOX G900 Pro Mirror Dashcam. At number 4, we have the WOLFBOX G900 Pro Mirror Dashcam. This popular mirror dashcam features a powerful 8-megapixel Sony Starvis IMX678 sensor that captures extremely detailed footage. It records 4K video from the front camera and 2.5K video from the rear camera, which helps capture clear details like license plates and road conditions. The 12-inch mirror display offers a wide and bright viewing angle, and the dashcam supports voice commands for easier control while driving. It also includes built-in GPS tracking, loop recording, and a G sensor that automatically locks important footage during sudden impacts. Pros: high-quality 4K front recording, 2.5K rear camera resolution, large 12-inch display, voice control, and GPS features. Overall, the WOLFBOX G900 Pro is a powerful and reliable dashcam designed for drivers who want high-resolution recording and dependable performance. Number 5. 10-inch mirror dashcam, 1080p recording. And finally, at number 5, we have the 10-inch mirror dashcam with 1080p recording. This is a great budget-friendly option for drivers who want basic front and rear recording without spending too much money. It features a 10-inch full touchscreen mirror display and records in 1080p Full HD for both the front and rear cameras. The 170-degree wide-angle lens captures a larger portion of the road, helping reduce blind spots while driving. It also includes loop recording and parking assistance, which can be helpful during reversing. Pros: very affordable option, large 10-inch touchscreen display, 170-degree wide viewing angle, easy to use and install. Overall, this dashcam is a solid entry-level option for drivers who want basic protection and recording capabilities. So that was our list of the top 5 best mirror dashcams in 2026. If you want the best overall performance, the Pelsee P12 Pro Max is our top pick. But if you're looking for something more budget-friendly, the 10-inch mirror dashcam is still a great option. You can find all product links in the description below to check prices and availability. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss our latest tech reviews. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.